a list of healthy foods with no carbs and no sugar. If you want to lose weight and get healthy, it's important to lower the amount of carbohydrates that you eat. Junk foods are extremely high in processed carbohydrates and refined sugars. These have been proven to cause inflammation throughout the body, especially in the liver, which then produces more body fat. Eating too many of these, over time, this leads to a wide range of illnesses such as diabetes, weight gain, obesity, nerve damage, heart attacks, strokes, and many other serious problems. In this video, I will share with you a list of the top 12 healthy foods that contain very low carbohydrates and sugars, less than 3g. Eating these foods to replace junk foods will bring a wide range of nutrients into your body and allow it to heal naturally. Just my usual reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so please speak to your doctor if you have any medical problems. 1. Eggs. Eggs, 0.6g carbs per egg. Pasture-raised eggs contain all the building blocks of life and only trace amounts of carbohydrates. Eggs are a great source of choline and lecithin, which help break down fat inside the liver and support weight loss. They are also rich in protein, amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that help the body cells heal and grow. Eating 2 to 4 eggs daily can significantly boost your nutrition. They keep you full, focused, and greatly reduce cravings for snacks and junk food. 2. Kale. Kale, 0g digestible carbs. Organic kale is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on the planet. This leafy green contains twice the vitamin C of oranges, more calcium than milk, and more potassium than bananas. Start eating kale lightly steamed as a side dish or blended into smoothies daily to notice major health improvements. It contains no starches or sugars, only healthy forms of fiber. 3. Red meats. Red meats, 0g carbs. Choose high-quality, grass-fed meats such as beef, lamb, and organ meats. These foods are essential for building healthy blood and are rich in bioavailable iron and vitamin B12. They contain no carbohydrates and are required for the development of strong, healthy muscles and sustained energy. 4. Cheese. Cheese, 0.4g carbs per 1 ounce. Cheese is one of the healthiest sources of fat-soluble nutrients, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K2. It helps calcium absorb into your bones, teeth, and nails. Cheese also contains healthy fatty acids and proteins that support brain health and improve focus and concentration. Always choose high-quality cheese from grass-fed cows or goats. Recommended options include cheddar, camembert, halloumi, brie, goat's cheese, and mozzarella. If you're finding this information helpful, please subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and nutrition tips. 5. Pecans. Pecan nuts, 1g net carbs per 1 ounce. Pecans are very low in net carbs and high in soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. They're rich in zinc, copper, vitamin B1, and monounsaturated fats that keep you satisfied and reduce cravings while losing weight. Eat a small handful after meals or chop them up and mix them with sugar-free 70% dark chocolate. 6. Cauliflower and cruciferous vegetables. Cauliflower and cruciferous, 0g digestible carbs. When improving health or losing weight, it's essential to eat plenty of cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, bok choy, arugula, and collard greens. These vegetables are packed with phytochemicals that help your liver remove toxins from the body. They're also rich in potassium and magnesium, 2 essential minerals that reduce insulin resistance and help burn fat efficiently. 7. Salmon. Wild salmon, 0.1g carbs per 3 ounces. When following a low-carb diet, oily fish are some of the best natural sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s from wild salmon, sardines, mackerel, and anchovies reduce inflammation and reverse oxidative damage caused by past sugar consumption. Avoid farmed fish, as they often contain antibiotics, synthetic coloring agents, and low-quality feed, making them low in nutrients. 8. Butter. Butter, 0.1g carbs per 100g. Pure butter that hasn't been blended with vegetable oils is one of the best natural sources of retinol for healthy eyes, skin, and hair. Although butter has a bad reputation, its cholesterol is essential for producing hormones such as insulin, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol, all of which must stay balanced for weight loss. Cooking with real butter instead of inflammatory oil strengthens bones, reduces cravings, and supports bile release for better fat digestion. 9. Sauerkraut. Sauerkraut, 0.1 g net carbs per 1 ounce. Sauerkraut is fermented cabbage and one of the richest sources of vitamin C and probiotics. Eating it 2 to 3 times per week boosts beneficial gut bacteria, supports digestion, and helps lower blood sugar levels. It's easy to digest for people with acid reflux, IBS, Crohn's disease, or diverticulitis. Its prebiotic fiber feeds and repairs the cells of the colon. 10. Avocados and olive oil. Avocados 0 for G and olive oil 0G. When cutting out carbs and sugar, increasing healthy fats is essential to control appetite. Avocados are extremely nutrient-dense and rich in monounsaturated fats that fuel your cells. They also contain potassium, magnesium, and avocatin B, which improve hormone balance, insulin resistance, and fat metabolism. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds, such as oleocanthal and oleuropein, which support liver health and reduce inflammation. 11. Nutritional yeast. When dieting or exercising intensely, your body uses large amounts of B vitamins to convert stored fat into energy. This can lead to fatigue, weakness, anxiety, and mood changes. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of unfortified nutritional yeast daily provides a full B vitamin complex, helping fix metabolism, lower cortisol, and support healthy weight loss. 12. Herbs and spices. Herbs 0G and spices 1-3 carbs per TSB. To heal the body and support weight loss, eat freshly chopped herbs daily. Some of the best include mint, basil, parsley, oregano, cilantro, dill, rosemary, and thyme. They contain no starches and are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that help manage blood sugar. Spices such as turmeric, cinnamon, coriander seeds, black pepper, and ginger are powerful natural healers that support the liver, pancreas, and digestive system. Although spices contain small amounts of carbs, only small quantities are needed for maximum benefit and flavor. Eating a combination of these foods in place of carbohydrates helps your body burn fat rapidly and promotes healing at the cellular level. Avoid cheap meats and farm fish that are loaded with hormones, antibiotics, and GMO feed. Instead, choose grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, pasture-raised eggs, quality dairy, and organic vegetables. Fast weight loss tips, low-carb diets. Losing weight fast. If your goal is to lose weight, there are several simple techniques you can use to turn your body into a fat-burning machine. 1. Intermittent fasting. Perform intermittent fasting at least 2 to 4 days per week. Eat all your food within a shorter time window, such as 5 hours, and allow your body to fast for the remaining 19 hours. Fasting improves insulin sensitivity, increases fat burning, and stimulates autophagy, your body's natural process of cleaning and renewing damaged cells. 2. Digestive enzymes. Take a digestive enzyme supplement before each meal. Choose one that contains bile, pancreatin, and betaine HCl. These support the gallbladder and pancreas, helping break down fats and improve digestion. 3. Avoid processed carbohydrates. Avoid starchy, sugary, and processed carbohydrates such as bread, cereal, pasta, rice, biscuits, potatoes, soda, and donuts. These foods raise insulin and blood sugar levels, preventing fat loss. 4. Eat healthy fats. Eat plenty of healthy fats such as avocados, eggs, extra virgin olive oil, and raw coconut oil. These help your body switch from burning sugar to burning stored body fat. 5. Reduce stress. Keep stress levels low, as stress hormones like cortisol promote weight gain. Walking in nature, getting enough sleep, and practicing deep breathing can help balance hormones. 6. Drink mineral water. Drink at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water daily. Avoid tap water, which may contain estrogen-like compounds that promote weight gain. Choose natural mineral water brands rich in minerals. You can also discover the powerful Okinawa 80% rule, a simple longevity principle that supports weight loss and slows aging naturally, without extreme dieting or restrictions. If you want better health, sustainable weight control, and long-term vitality, your body may need a smarter approach to eating. Learn how applying the Okinawa 80% rule supports digestion, hormone balance, and long-lasting health. For all the details, tap on the video titled Okinawa 80% Rule, Longevity, Weight Loss, and Anti-Aging Secret. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated. And remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.